why the customer shipped me the rug? Because they have two big dog or one, and the rug smell from wet dog smell. The customer sent me the rug with the check. I promised the customer I am not going to deposit the check until they receive the rug back from me. Then they go on their knees, they smell the rug completely, and then after they smell the whole rug completely, if they call me and they will say to me, Martin, deposit the check, I will do that. If they're going to call me and they said, we are not happy, it still smells, I'm going to take the check, rip it off, throw it to the dumpster. This is how I am so positive to remove the odor from the rug. And I understand why the customer was so hesitating. This Oriental rug came all the way from Virginia. Let me show you how I clean a rug that it really smells bad. Hello, my name is Mayor Martin, and I would like to show you my invention. I love challenge, and especially when I believe that this rug already been through several Oriental rug carpet cleaner that try to remove the nasty odor, then it's deep inside the rug. And no one can accomplish this mission. Removing the bad odor. This is what I'm standing for. I came from Israel in 1989 and I started working as a carpet cleaner. And I realized that everybody, without any exception, cleaned the Oriental rug by using deodorized enzyme and scrubber. That's ruined the rug and will never remove the urine crystal, the bad odor, then it's deep inside the foundation of the rug. So I built the XpetPee machine that extract all the dirt, the soap, the detergent, everything that the customer, the Oriental rug cleaner, and everybody on the face of the earth try to clean to earn money by using a wrong cleaning process. To remove the crystal, the urine crystal, the bad odor, you have to wash the rug through the rug. Because the urine crystal, it's hiding where is all the nuts in the rug. This is the problem. And the XpetPee machine vacuum the rug in a special pattern. One from here, one from there, one in the middle. And this is how the urine will release from the fiber and wash out to the bottom of the rug. PetPeePee. I enjoy cleaning rug and I enjoy the challenge when customer put me through. So I say to the customer in Virginia, Mrs. Karen, send me the rug with a check. I am not going to deposit the check until you receive the rug. You call me and you say to me, Martin, I cannot believe it. Please deposit the check. When the tube is clear, the rug is clean. Chemically, I have a special system. Then I know if any urine crystal still remain in the rug. because I have to take extra steps in this rug, I washed the rug even when the tube was clear completely. Please stay tuned and listen how 7 hours of cleaning the rug compressed to less than 10 minutes. Take a look, listen how the vacuum extracts everything through the rug. Thank you for watching. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Call today.